All right, on a quick note before we start, I just wanted to reiterate that we're size 785 students. We're not real clinicians, and we're role playing for this assignment under Professor Khan's supervision. And Ishan is a fictional case we built for the project. With that said, welcome to Field Notes, the case blog where we think out loud about the clients who teach us the most. I'm Gabriel, and today's file belongs to Ishan, a 9-year-old with fetal alcohol spectrum disorder and a mild intellectual disability. We got 3 entries, 5 minutes. Let's open the file. Biologically, FASD begins with prenatal alcohol exposure, which is a teratogen that disrupts brain development across the early pregnancy. The Canadian Diagnostic Guideline describes pervasive central nervous system impairment across multiple brain domains. Ishan shows the classic neurological profile: executive dysfunction, slow processing speed, and impaired cause and effect learning, which matters enormously for behavior analysis, because consequence based learning is exactly what is compromised. Now, psychologically, think dysmaturity. Ishan is 9 chronologically, but functions socially like a much younger child. Psychiatrically, comorbidity is the rule, not the exception. A meta analysis found dramatically elevated rates of ADHD, anxiety, and other conditions in people with FASD. Layer on early neurodevelopment traumas. Ishan spent his first 2 years in unstable care, and you have a brain shaped by both prenatal exposure and postnasal adversity. An article in 2004 showed that early diagnosis and a stable home are the strongest protective factors against secondary outcomes in school disruption and trouble with the law. Now I'm going to pass it over to Elle, who's going to go over entry number 2.
Entry 2. So, where the system failed essence? Hi, I'm Elle, the one who gets to complain about systems. Barrier 1. Late diagnosis. Confirming prenatal alcohol exposure is tricky. Diagnostic clinics are scarce, and wait lists run from months to years. You could have finished half a master's degree while you wait. Ask me how I know? So, kids like Essen collect the defiant label long before anyone says FASD. Barrier 2. Standard behavior plans assume kids learn from consequences, which is FASD disrupts. The fixes: screen early, refer to multidisciplinary diagnostic teams, and flip from reactive, consequent based strategies to proactive. Antecedent based accommodations such as visual supports, simpler language, predictable routines, caregiver coaching, all wrapped in a trauma informed lens. So, entry 3, the longest entry, because this is my favorite part: the actual work. Assessment first, because guessing is not a clinical skill. We ran a functional behavior assessment, such as interviews, ABC observation, and a structure functional analysis to find out what Essence classroom outbursts were doing for him. The work moved faster than his brain could process, and outbursts were his exit strategy. So we added the Vineland 3 because intervention has to match his developmental age, not the number on his birthday cake. Then intervention in 3 layers. Think of it as skincare routine, but evidence-based. So layer 1, function-based positive behavior support. So we modified antecedents, chunk instructions, visual schedules, schedule breaks, and taught Essen a better exit strategy, like asking for help. So layer 2, go far, which teaches a focus, act, reflect routine. So basically a tiny pause button and reduce disruptive behaviors in trials with kids with FASD. So the layer 3, finally, it's family. Families moving forward improves parenting efficacy and child behavior. And it's FMF, Connect app, reaches families stuck on those famous waitlists. Famous waitlist. And what's not in the routine? Punishment. When contingency learning is impaired, consequence heavy procedures don't teach. They just erode trust in a kid who has already had plenty eroded. Closing the file. So Essen was never the problem. He's a 9-year-old brain doing its absolute best with the wiring it has. So the moment we stopped trying to fix the kid and started fixing the environment, the outburst went down and the hand raising went up. So best trade I've ever made. So here's the field note word framing in FASD accommodation is intervention. References below. See you at the next file.